In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a soundboard on Roblox. So a soundboard will essentially let you play music and other sound effects through the Roblox voice chat. So we're going to start by closing out of Roblox. We're then going to open up an internet browser and you need to type in Voicemod download and press enter. Now click on this top website and it's www.voicemod.net and make sure you're on the official website. It should look like this. We can then click on the download for free button in the top right hand side and that should begin downloading onto your computer. You can simply click on your downloads and go and open up this file, and we can now begin installing this by pressing OK. Click on next, agree to the terms and conditions and select next. Click on next again, click next again, and click on install. Now it's a relatively small application, so that should only take a couple of seconds. And once it's finished installing, make sure to check launch Voicemod and press finish. You can then press get started, and it's going to take you over to an internet browser where you'll need to sign in to an account. If you don't already have one of these, then you can create one completely for free and then select open Voicemod. So once you're signed in, we can just press next, and then you'll have the option to configure your audio. Now it's important that you get this right, as otherwise it's not going to work. So for select your microphone, this is obviously where you need to go and set your microphone. So mine is this microphone, Yeti stereo microphone. And for your headphones, this is where you want your sound playing out from. So this will either be your speakers or your headphones. You can then go and press next and click on start using Voicemod. Now just a quick note that there is a pro version of Voicemod as well, but in this video I'll just be using the free version, and we can click on soundboards in the left hand side, and this is where you can start playing all of your different sound effects and music. Now what we can do is click on the plus icon to go and add our own custom music as well. You can just press upload sound in the top right hand side, click on upload sounds, and then you can upload an MP3 sound from your computer, or you could just go and select from one of the free sound effects already included. So what we can do now is go and open up Roblox and then just go and load up any game that supports voice chat. Once you're inside your game, you can come over to the top left hand side and click on Roblox menu, click on settings. You can then scroll down to where it says input device, and then you need to navigate across these options and make sure microphone, Voicemod, virtual audio device is selected, and then you can go and press resume. Now once you've done that, you can go and unmute your microphone, and now what we can do is just go and play any sounds through our Voicemod application. And basically when you play a sound through Voicemod, it's automatically going to play out in your Roblox game. So let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you with the next one.